Hey, welcome third grade stellar learners. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Now, what are we doing today? Today, we are about to have some math fun. And when I say math fun, I mean we're about to understand how equal groups apply as multiplication. And this is our first official lesson. Let's get into it. Now, what do you need? You can either use your notebook and your pencil, or you can use a whiteboard and a marker. That's good enough as well. Now, what are we going to be doing? We're going to be drawing pictures to show the statement below. So, it is our first lesson, and we're going to go back to doing a little bit of review to catch up on what we did in the ending of second grade using repeated addition. So we're going to be doing three groups of five. So one, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. So it said we need three groups with five in each. So three groups of five. That's it. One, two, three groups of five. So three groups of five is the same as having five, 10, 15. So three groups of five is the same as having 15, and this is what we call repeated addition. So three groups of five is 15. So three fives, 15, that's multiplication, and 3 times 5 is 15. Now, let's get into it. Next, five groups of three. Now, this is the same thing. So now we're turning it around. So three groups of five. Now let's look at five groups of three. So now we're going to have one, two, three, 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 four, one, two, three. What do you notice? I'm hoping you're saying the groups are more, but they're smaller. And you're absolutely right. In the first group, we had the groups were bigger, but they're smaller. In the second group, you notice the groups were way more, but they had smaller inside of them. So five groups with three. So we have three plus three plus three plus three plus three. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Now, did we get the same 15? Yes, we did. So, repeated addition. 5 groups of 3 is the same as 3 groups of 5, 15. 5 times 3 is the same as 3 times 5. They both land us with the same thing, 15. Now, let's continue. We're going to draw pictures to show the following mathematical statement. 666. So it sounds like we're doing 6666. Now, how many is that? What does that sound to you? How many groups of 6 are they asking us to do? How many sets do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're doing 4 groups of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're doing 4 groups of 6. Now, let's count them. 6 and 6 is 12 and 6 is 18 and 6 is 24. I'm just using math in my brain. So we're going to add them. 6 plus another 6 gives me 12, plus another 6 gives me 18, plus another 6 gives me 24. Now, what do I know? That's 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24. So 4 groups of 6 is 24, and 4 times 6 is 24. You see that? So it's called repeated addition. Repeated addition is the same as multiplication. Yes. So we're now going to branch off by starting by doing repeated addition, but in the future, we're going to convert to going directly into multiplication. Next step, we're going to be looking into 6 groups of 4. So earlier, we focused on 4 groups of 6. Now we're going to be looking into 6 groups of 4. Now, let's get into it. All right. So, let's do this. All right. So, what do we have next? All right. So, 6 groups of 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're currently doing 6 groups of 4. So remember, we're starting out with repeated addition. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 6 times is going to give you the exact same amount like you did before, which is 24. So 6 groups of 4 is 24, which is the same as we got earlier when we did 4 groups of 6. Now, how about 4 plus 4? Let's fill out the chart. Plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 24. So 6 times 4 is 24. So repeated addition that we did in 2nd grade, did you know we're getting you ready to multiply in 3rd grade? Absolutely. Let's keep moving. Now, we've come to the end of this session. I did not want to overwhelm you on your first multiplication problem, but tune into lesson 2 and we have way more problems to do.